The next application I'd like to talk about is Telestream's Wirecast. Wirecast allows users to create live or on-demand broadcasts for the web. I'm going to open up a preset Wirecast project I've got here. So on the side here, you have your layers. The layers, again, can be any source. I've set up on the side two of the channels. So the LRAP channel, our demo reel, and the esports. I've got a clear layer here down the bottom. The plus sign here is where I add in another layer here, or another source. So I'll click on that. It provides a list of the inputs, available inputs. So what we're going to be looking for here is on the backgrounds, it says new web page. So we'll click on new web page. We'll add that source in. And in the top here, you have the preferences for the source, selected source. So in this case, it's an untitled web page. We're going to call this Vision, and we'll give that a name. Now we also have to get the URL. We'll go back to server here. We'll get the player URL, the endpoint. I'll paste that URL in here for the address. Enter the width and the height. So again, this is HD. There's no other preferences we really have to set up. We can go back to the other preferences here, but the transition when it comes in, we're not using chroma key. There's no audio associated with this source. The shot layer properties, we'll leave that as a default, and then the shot layer. So we've got this as Vision, and we'll title this as the shot layer as Vision. So once that's done, we've now got the source down the bottom here. We'll double click on it. You may want to clear the other layers so we can preview our source. You can manually resize it using the widget here, or the scaler. And now that's defined. So if we want that source off, we just clear that layer. We can add in the esports, our demo reel, show our LRAP. And that's how the Chameleon web player integrates with Wirecast.